The B-21 Raider represents a pivotal moment in the evolution of U.S. military aviation. As part of the fiscal year 2025 budget request, the U.S. Department of Defense has confirmed its dedication to the continued development of this next-generation stealth bomber. With funding allocated to move forward with the engineering and manufacturing development (EMD) phase and transition into low-rate initial production (LRIP), the B-21 Raider is poised to become the cornerstone of the U.S. Air Force's long-range strike capabilities. This advanced aircraft is designed to replace the aging fleet of B-1 Lancers and B-2 Spirits, ultimately ensuring the U.S. retains air dominance in the face of evolving global threats. The B-21 Raider is not just another bomber. It represents a leap forward in stealth technology, survivability, and precision strike capability. Engineered to operate in contested airspaces and penetrate the most sophisticated enemy air defenses, the B-21 is a true force multiplier for the U.S. Air Force. It will be critical in fulfilling both conventional and nuclear deterrence missions, ensuring the U.S. maintains its strategic advantage. Originally conceptualized as the Long-Range Strike Bomber, LRSB, the B-21 has been designed with an open, modular systems architecture. This will allow for rapid upgrades as technology continues to advance, ensuring the bomber remains at the forefront of innovation throughout its service life. Despite being slightly smaller than its predecessors such as the B-2 Spirit, the B-21 boasts improved range and avionics, making it an even more formidable platform for executing deep strike missions. Initially, the U.S. Air Force planned to procure 100 B-21 bombers, but strategic reviews have led to an expanded order. Reports suggest that the Air Force may increase the total fleet size to as many as 200 aircraft, ensuring that the U.S. maintains a robust and adaptable strategic strike capability. The growing production of the B-21 will involve thousands of workers and numerous suppliers across the U.S., with the production facility in Palmdale, California, serving as the heart of this ambitious project. The first B-21 Raider was unveiled to the public in December 2022, and by November 2023, the aircraft successfully completed its inaugural test flight. As of 2024, the program continues to progress, with 3 B-21 bombers in active testing and low-rate production officially underway. The U.S. Air Force plans to begin delivering these bombers to operational bases in the mid-2020s, with Ellsworth Air Force Base in South Dakota designated as the first main operating base for the fleet. One of the most critical milestones for the B-21 Raider is its certification to carry out nuclear missions. According to congressional requirements, the bomber must achieve nuclear certification within 2 years of reaching Initial Operational Capability, IOC. However, the Air Force is striving to accelerate this process, ensuring the B-21 becomes an integral part of the U.S. nuclear triad as soon as possible. With its next-generation stealth capabilities, advanced sensors, and ability to perform long-range precision strikes, the B-21 Raider will provide the U.S. Air Force with unparalleled strategic flexibility. Its capacity to operate in contested environments, evade detection, and strike with precision makes it one of the most advanced bombers ever conceived. The funding provided in the fiscal year 2025 budget underscores the U.S. military's commitment to the B-21 program and its long-term importance for U.S. defense strategy. By securing an initial fleet of 100 aircraft, with the possibility of expanding to 145 or more, the U.S. is ensuring its ability to project power, deter adversaries, and strike decisively anywhere in the world. The B-21 Raider is not just a tool for the present. It is a long-term investment in the nation's security, capable of safeguarding American interests for decades to come.